Man, this car steals the limelight. 70 GTX, limelight green. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. We have a few hundred exciting collector cars for sale on our website, volocars.com. Go there anytime. We've always got a big selection of fantastic cars like this one. You'll find pricing, full descriptions, videos, pictures, top to bottom. Plenty of ways to contact us. Reach out to us. We're here to help you. We have financing. We can arrange shipping. We can answer all your questions. We sell cars all over the world. It's a common thing these days. We'll do a walk around, up close video, send more pictures. However we can help you, let us know. Let's take this thing for a spin. It's a real 1970 Plymouth GTX. We have a build sheet. It has the original fender tag. It's a factory limelight green high impact color. It is excellent. The fit and finish is excellent inside and out. Big chrome wheels really make it pop. Those are new. We also have original Rallye wheels. That choice would be yours. Again, fit and finish is a really big deal these days. A good paint job starts at 15 grand. So to get a car that's straight, everything fits nice. It's like a green mirror. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. They're right on the money. I don't think Mopar did this good of a job. The gaps are just right, and everything looks good. The moldings are polished, the emblems, the door handles, the mirror, the fuzzy window seals here. Look at the door jamb. Bottom of the door is spotless. The latches, the sill plate, it's all detailed up. Really good looking car. It's a factory air car, so the glass has the factory tint. That's a new windshield. It's got the blacked out hood treatment. Front and back of this car is excellent. The grille is mint. The chrome on the bumper, the rubber pads on the bumper, all mint. Beautiful motor compartment. The engine bay is all painted nice and glossy. The metal is beautiful. All the seams and spot welds, it's clean. The wiper motor's restored. All the components look fantastic. Has the right air cleaner with the Super Commando pie tin, they call it, on top the air cleaner. The seats are all recushioned. It's got legendary upholstery on it. All new carpet. I see he's got LED lights in the console and under the dash. The whole dash is beautiful. New vents. Has all new chrome bezels around the gauges. This is a Rallye gauge car. It has the tachometer. There's nothing busted or broken on the dash. The original AM radio is right in the factory hole. We do have a spare, brand new reproduction tire. It's not mounted on the rim yet. We will do that. All painted green, clean metal. Has the jack, new rubber. The latches are nice. Taillight housings, all detailed up really nice. Has GTX embroidered floor mats. The black metal is painted beautifully. The window cranks, the armrests. A really nice car. 3,796 miles on the speedometer, and that looks all brand new, so that's since the car was restored. Obviously bucket seats, center console. Overhead, the headliner is tight as a drum. The mirror is beautiful. The steering wheel has no wear on it. Everything's excellent. The light in the glove box works. New glove box liner. I mean, you're getting an awesome car, but that's what you're paying for. You want quality like that? This has got the quality. This is a nice piece. Very snappy 440 motor. It's all been rebuilt. Underneath the car is super clean and solid. Go to our website, volocars.com. We'll have pictures underneath the car. No vinyl top, it's all green. Everything about it's nice. I'm walking around it and I don't see anything I'm going to apologize for. Shuts nice, fits nice, functions real nice, tail lights are nice. just idles smooth. You give it the gas, it's snappy. Again, no apologies here. This is a fantastic car. So, go to our website, contact us, check out all the pictures. Pricing is there for this car and every other car we have. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am out getting the best cars around. Thanks for watching.